I wanted to take you to my godfather because he is Mr. H. Devadas. But the reason I'm sharing something about my godfather, my dear friends, the most interesting fact. I spent near about a couple of months to develop this page because I thought Guru Parampara must continue. He is my guru who made me understand more complex area of electricity, which I could not get it out from engineering and all. That and all, you can read all these things. I wrote my personal opinions and all. And then later, if you click appreciation letters received by him from various schools, oh my God, you will see what powerful demonstrations he has done. And maybe I made a single drop of the wash on what he did. And similarly, video gallery, okay, and photo gallery, all these things you can click and see. But video gallery is most important for today because 200th birthday of Michael Faraday was celebrated by Godfather at Hyderabad. And then today, 229th, though my godfather is not there, I'm celebrating with all of you. And now I'm going to play one video of Godfather's celebrations. There are so many videos here. You all can see the playlist. And but today, because it is last 5 minutes, though we need to celebrate it, the Michael Faraday's birthday. So I request all of you to stand and pay our tribute to the father of electricity, because of which the energy, we are all live, and our medical assistants and the global happening, all these things are happening. So let us stand up for 1 minute and play this video and try to tribute our Michael Faraday. So let us chorus this song. Increase your volume. Genius.
Oh, genius. Each night and day, we remember you, Faraday.
Michael Faraday.
Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday. Oh, genius. Oh, genius. Each night and day, we remember you, Faraday. Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday.
These young little birds of Navodaya School Gachibowli have offered their respect on all behalf of us to the great scientists. Well, Michael Faraday, I would like to tell here today, our little birds have offered you the respect in the most traditional Indian way by putting this Nanda Deep. But the process adopted is your method, that is electromagnetic method of illuminating this lamp. There is no direct connection. Thank you. When I was just telling about the
So children, you are all very fortunate to listen to my godfather's voice. Fortunately, his son sent me one video tape. I have converted that VHF tape to MPEG files and then finally the uploaded to YouTube. Another tape is there which I have converted recently, and I'm going to share that also if you are all interested understanding all the gadgets, all the how to make all these things and all well explained, the subject knowledge. So with this, my dear friends, what is that I'm going to finally share with all of you is now last 3-4 minutes because we started at 5:10 and now it is 7:10, 2 hours, my time, 120 minutes is over with all that presentation and then solar concepts and the basic electric concepts and then few demonstrations prepared by Godfather, Mr. H. Devadas, and then connected you guys to understand the global way of celebrating the fundamental energies and all. And ultimately, my wishes to all of you, like how one important point I wanted to remind for today. I went to the Thomas Alva Edison Foundation because in my childhood when I'm doing my 6th class, at that time my science teacher told me, Srinivas, for all the students she told me, Thomas Alva Edison invented the bulb. I said, immediately ask her madam question. Madam, how you invented this bulb? Then she told me, you go and ask Thomas Alva Edison. Then I said, okay, I'm writing the notes. I just wrote in my notes that I must go to Thomas Alva Edison home and ask him, how you have invented this bulb? So that is there in my book. And every time whenever I'm referring that book, and I have the question in my mind. So that it took little time to reach me to go there and find out how, but yes, that is true. Now, why is that I'm recollecting back that? Because that question is there for several years in my mind. Finally, I asked those foundation people, though physically Thomas Alva Edison is not there at the time, but I found a big answer from them saying that, man, I told them, oh my God, how many lakhs of people, how many crores of people are using this lamp, and everybody, whoever buy a lamp, how much money is coming back to your foundation. You people really became big rich people. Then they said, forget about all that. That's very small thing in front of us. But when the bulb is glowing, how many people making use of the bulb? What is the kind of transformation is taking place under the bulb? No one can calculate. That is true. No one can calculate. No software can calculate. That is the kind of transformation the bulb invention has given us. If only one particular bulb invention has given that much, and such kind of many more electrical appliances are running on the concept of electrical energy, massive power developed by Godfather, even Michael Faraday. That's where I said, can you see behind me Michael Faraday? I'm going to show my, I can show you this way, in a better way. So let me share this and then go to Michael Faraday and then play this. Okay. Then you will see, my dear friends, the image. See, Scientific Student Society, I'm the president of Scientific Student Society, and Igniting Young Minds, this is what said by Dr. Kalam. That's where in between my logo, Michael Faraday is there. And because he is the one prepared that kind of research work, and though he is not highly qualified and all, you all know, read the biographies and all from Michael Faraday and watch the YouTube video clips and all. And such a small kid can make whole universe work today. And few hundreds years ago, where there is no information highway, internet and all for Googling, and nothing is there. But even those days people have done, my dear friends. So don't you think that with all the latest facilities today in front of us, don't you think that it's the biggest responsibility on us that do something for the whole universe? That's where you can be a unique person in the universe. Is it not our responsibility, or just taking the risk of COVID and going away? Why greatest doctors are front-end warriors losing life? Because something is missing, which is not supposed to. That's where we have to be very dynamic to solve these dynamic problems. We don't know. As of now, I never expected that in my lifetime I'll have the COVID come in front of me and kills many of my friends. So a lot of students are coming to my home, and this is also prepared by Godfather about Michael Faraday. I can share all these historic things in front of me with all of my students to make you all very powerful personalities. So finally, this is the particular slide which I prepared. Because of this slide, I believe today's session went connected in a big way. Okay, my dear friends. So with this, I conclude that you are all I bless you all from the position of today's to tomorrow's expected from high levels, because you are children, pillars of the nation. You all have to be very practical, and then the bookish theoretical knowledge will help you gaining knowledge. But definitely you all have to be very practical now and then. That's where the national education policy realized after 35 years, they revised that. They realized, and that's where I'm part of it at National Skill Development Corporation and Niti Aayog, National Information of Transforming India, and various activities to do all that. Recently, I'm tying up with CBSE also to develop CBSE Science Activity Challenge, CBSE Science Challenge. I'm part of it. I raise very innovative questions and then send to them. And also I'm a part of NTSC and then NCRT and whatnot. Okay, let us do science in a big practical way, and prepare India is not only intellectual India, it is innovative India, inventive India, and towards productive India. So let us all chorus, made in India. My dear friends, say all of you, made in India, make in India. Oh, yeah, you're all muted. I can unmute you all. Okay. Okay. This is last 2 minutes. Open up your mics so that you can ask questions also.
Sir.
Okay, now say chorus.
Sir.
Make in India.
India.
Make in India.
All of us loudly. Prove your power. All of us loudly prove your power. Make in India.
Make in India.
Make in
Made in
India.
India.
Made in
Skill
India.
India from School India.
Make in
Past
India.
made in Japan. Past made in Japan.
Past made in Japan.
Present made in China.
President made in
But
India.
from today onwards only make in India. From today onwards only make in India.
Only make in India.
Yeah, because if you import from China now and then, what we never know. Since last 8 months, we are all locked down. How much loss we are facing, how much risk we are taking. So this shouldn't happen. That is only possible that all my children will become entrepreneurs. So productive India. Okay. So in a solar India, power India. So we'll do all that in a big way. Now, my dear friends, before I say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, I want to take 1 or 2 questions from all of you. I'm not really far away from you all, my dear friends. You can be in touch with me at any point of time, and you can send me all your questions through WhatsApp. But today, the Guru Dakshina, what I'm expecting from all of you. Are you all ready to give me Guru Dakshina? How much Guru Dakshina you want to give me? How much Guru Dakshina? This much? Or you will invite me to your home for dinner? I don't know. What kind of biryani you will prepare and all for my brain? I don't know. But what is the expected Guru Dakshina from all of you guys is writing a feedback letter. What is the intention of today's session? How our principals are connected this session? How I am connecting to celebrate Michael Faraday's birthday with all of my young students. Okay, so right from the beginning, how I designed the session, how I demonstrated, what is that I tried to connect you and put you into your mind, how young minds can be ignited, how I tried to do that, all these things. You need to recollect back again. Since last couple of hours, I taught so much, which no school can really try to make you understand. Because the kind of subject knowledge what I acquired from Godfather, no university gave me. You understand, my dear friend? That's a drawback of the education system. But now Government of India is taking a big step for make the things very wonderful way. That's where dynamic, our beloved Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji is very, very dynamic in understanding the problems. We are very fortunate to have such kind of personality as a leader of the nation. So we are now going to build. You are the people are going to become quality leaders, science and technology driven leaders. So India is going to rule the globe, my dear friends. So make sure you be part of right from now. So let's do all the great success. That's where from our local localities to growing global. Okay, understand? So write down. Growing global is more important, okay, from the local. That's where Prime Minister ji said, local to local, local to global. In one particular meeting he said recently, last month, okay. So we need to catch up that kind of statements and take the inspiration and go further and see how great, and our national, international eminent science personalities all across the country, CSR national labs are working great. You can visit all their open days like IISc Bangalore, March 23rd, or you can Google all the national laboratories, CSIR national laboratories and open days, and go and visit. All the hundreds of country eminent scientists are waiting for you all, my dear children, so that you can acquire knowledge, so much practical knowledge. So you can ask n number of questions and become personalities like that. But today, wonderful, important point, my dear friends, in my website, click there and here and there, I don't know, but finally if you can click a place where get inspired by the great personalities. I kept a button there in between somewhere in my website. I'm not going to disclose where it is, but get inspired by the great personalities. If any student can find out where it is, and through WhatsApp, if you send me the link, sir, here it is. And these are the videos. They are the great scientists. And the interviews you kept there, they are about 200 great eminent scientists interviews are placed there. Get inspired by the great personalities of the nation. Okay, then you, from your childhood, you will try to become that great personalities. Okay, we have wonderful great personalities in the nation. But the thing is, students are not getting connected. That's where I'm trying to do a biggest new program, Scientists at Schools. So every National Science Day we celebrate in that way. So in front of me, there is one DAV cover. So in that school, every science day we celebrate in a big way. Okay, that's where our Nagendra Raju principal there is a good friend of your principal, sir. That's where we got connected. So all these junior schools, all across nation, I'll try to make sure that I will reach and serve and ignite all your young minds. DAV schools are really greatly working, my dear children. So with this, I conclude from my side. All the messages went properly. But now, please ask me any question if you have. Any, raise your hand. Anybody wanted to ask me, talk to me? Okay, Sai Lakshmi, what is your question?
Sir, how to make a mother coil?
Wonderful. The making process I will share with you. Okay, I have already recorded the making process. I will record one video clip. Wonderful question, Sai Lakshmi. Definitely we will conduct one good idea. Excellent question. I will give you the making process. Next, anybody? But send me WhatsApp question, okay? This is Sai Lakshmi, and I wanted to know the making process of making the mother coil, okay? I'll give you all the method. What are the raw materials required? How can we wind that coil? How can we insulate? How can we do all the actions on that without any electrical shocks and all? I'll totally write up and send you. But make sure you remind me, otherwise I'll forget, okay? Because every day I'm working with hundreds of students all across the nation. Next question, please.
Sir, what is a technology you told to?
I'm not going to tell you right now. Let the other ask basic questions. Later. Yeah, anybody?
Sir, global warming, yes, sir.
That already I've shown you the link. From there you learn, okay? Anybody want to ask the question from the second page? Second page. Anybody want to ask me second page? Nobody? So shall we conclude now? Tell me, it is becoming late for all of you. I never
Sir,
wanted to do
engineering.
sessions. Say again.
What is engineering?
Who is asking this question? Who is asking? What is his name?
Shrestha Jacknelly.
Oh, wonderful. Excellent. Send me that on WhatsApp. Okay. So, excellent question. So, this is a question I asked for thousands of students who passed out engineering. What is engineering? They say, no idea, sir. Then, then what are engineers supposed to do? Then they said, sir, that also no idea, sir. This is how the people in India are studying engineering. So this should not be the case. That's why you need to understand that, okay? We will work. But anyway, about Sai Lakshmi's question about the technology. Technology is something like this. I worked very hard, near about 14 hours a day, without connecting to students and all for 10 long years. So I raised that's kind of all the work I shared into that internetscientificstudent.com. Now I just spent 5 minutes there, yes or no? That's /circuit lab, /solar lab and all. So in using less time, transforming my knowledge is technology. So today the technology what I applied with all of you, I spent maximum time to interact with all. And then finally what is that I did? I just spent little time to connect you guys to the resource where already I worked very hard and kept the place there. So why to waste my time with all of you here again and again? Why reinventing the wheel again and again? Already when something is placed, so make use of it. You understand? So connecting the content in less time is a transformation of subject knowledge. So this is how the technology driven world is going on. Okay. Now with that, any other thing, any other question? Shall we conclude for today? But make sure your Gurdakshana, you should not forget Gurdakshana. Gurdakshana is what? Sriya, Gurdakshana is what? Write as many pages as possible. Write as many pages as possible. All your feelings onto the papers, 4 or 5 pages. Write neatly so that I can read and take photos of that and send it to me WhatsApp. So that tonight I'll keep reading them, or otherwise tomorrow, okay? But ultimately with that, all that knowledge, I'll again get back to you, okay? After reading all your feedbacks, not only the students there now, around 30, ask every single student who ever participated. That's where I want to read every single student's particular, okay? I think I'm done. So lastly, I wanted to say Jai Jawan. All of you chorus, Jai Jawan.
Jai Jawan.
Jai Kisan. Jai
Jawan.
Kisan. Salute to them. Salute to them. Without Jawan, we are not secured. So without Kisan, no food. So Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Security and food. And then Jai Hind.
Jai
Jai Vignan, Jai Vignan. Without Vignan, we can't prosper. So Jai Vignan.
Jai Vigyan.
Jai Vignan, Jai Vignan. Okay. Jai Bharat, Jai Bharat.
Jai
Jai
Bharat.
Bharat. Okay. All the best. Good night, Anna. All the best. Take care. And I thank my principal, sir, Sivakumar, my best friend from DAV. And then because of whom this session took place. And another branch from Vikarabad district, which is the school, DAV. I could not see that name of the school, but I'm thankful to all the students who participated, all the teachers who have participated from various schools as well. And I really enjoyed with all of you. And I think today I'm so satisfied to work with all of you. And after COVID, I personally come and do lot bigger sessions than this. Okay, one full day work and all we'll do. So shall we conclude the session today by pressing the end button? Shall I press the end button? Give me permission. Shall you all give me permission? So say bye bye so that I can press the end button. Okay. So now I'm pressing the end button. And it is asking me, once again it is asking me confirmation. End meeting for all? Yes. So though it is not my wish, but waiting for all your feedback letters. Anybody want anything?